HubSpot email marketing tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to teach you how you can use HubSpot for email marketing and how we can create email marketing campaigns using HubSpot. So let's get started. First, simply go to hubspot.com and you will be directed to this platform. We can build the CRM with HubSpot. We have our own sales dashboard and we also get our own email marketing. To start with HubSpot, you can simply click on this link right here, which says get a free CRM HubSpot. Create a Google account with HubSpot or add your first name and last name with your email address. That's it. You can get started with the free version. Simply go ahead and sign into your HubSpot account. After the initial setup sign up, this is the main dashboard that we get on HubSpot. So you can see we have a different dashboard that we can actually access: contact, conversions, marketing, sales, services, automation, and report. In marketing, we can find the emails. Creating an email marketing campaign is one of the main goals of this tutorial. So we will simply do that here. Once you get your email marketing, we will see all of your previous campaigns and emails you have created. To create a new one, you will find the option right here. As a result, we are able to select from thousands of different templates HubSpot has for you. And we can choose from different thousands of templates such as welcome, sample, promotion, plain emails, and newsletter. So let's create a welcome email. Or maybe we can create it in a plain email, since the editor is the same for all of this. As you can see, we have our main editor here, in which we were able to create our new email. Now the first thing is, of course, to give it a name. Let's call it for now test email. After that, you can see we have our preview, and right here, and however, I get these boxes that I can edit. Then we have our content and design form. I can add different contents to my email. We can also customize the design such as button, dividers, and text styles. The first thing is really the company logo, which is not what I want to add, but you can upload any logo right here, your own company logo that you created, or you can simply remove it. I will click on replace. Then you will be able to insert an image that you will add it to HubSpot. For now, I'm going to let it be because we are just making a test email. Then we have this main content here. So we have this text right here. And you can see I can edit them as well. You can choose from a folder. You can also design a logo directly from Canva. We have Canva integration in HubSpot also. You can simply delete the existing text and then type in your own text. Of course, we can edit the font and everything else. We can make it bold if you want to. We have different fonts to choose from, and we have different styles and alignments. As you can see, we can also go ahead and edit this section with this option right here. It will allow me to change the bottom spacing, top spacing, background type, color. If you want to change the color, you can simply change it using this option. We can also add different contents to our email. As you can see, we have just text right here. Now I want to add an image. All I have to do is drag the image option and drop it wherever I want to, and it will be added right here. I can simply click on the select image button and select the image that I have there, and it will be added here. Now I can edit this section, changing the length and width. Here is what I'm going to do. You can see the size will be changes. Similarly, I can change the background. I can apply different setting. Once you are done, you can simply click on finish. After that, you can again add my socials, so I can drag it and drop it wherever I want my social. And then this will be added in this email. I will add Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. So if I want to add another one, I will simply click on this icon and select the network. But we do not have YouTube here, so just click on YouTube and add the URL to your channel, and it will be added right here. When people receive this email, they will be able to see all of your social media accounts. Simply click on the social media and again click on edit. You can also add videos and dividers. The dividers really help us to get organized our email. This is how you can design your email and it look very professional. Here you can add pictures and videos. You can add different contents to your email right here. We can also change the design. We can change the templates. We can change the button that we have added to our email right here. Once you are done with editing, we can move on to setting. In setting, we will find the subject line. For now, I'm just going to write some welcome email. Then we have a preview text. We can select the language and we can also select the subscription type. These are the different settings we can make. Now up, we will add our own receipt. In here, you will be able to select all the different contacts you have added to your account. I will simply select the contacts I want to send this to. You can select one by one, or you can choose a list if you have created one. We can view it from here. I can import a list of contacts from a spreadsheet from any of our different platforms, and it will be more convenient for me to edit here. It is not necessary to go ahead and add different subscribers or different email address individually. This also means we do not send two options at the same time. For example, you may have people on your list whom you wish to send this email to, or maybe you have listed to whom you do not wish this email to send to. Now that we have selected the receipt, you can see that we can send this email to 2000 people. So we can send it now or schedule it for later. If you want to schedule it for later, just select the time and date. So for now, I'm just going to click on schedule it for later and just add a time and date. Okay, we can get a preview and we can also save this one right here. And you will see the email that you have created when you return to your main dashboard. Now all you have to do is click on send test emails because this is our email name and it will be sent this email to we have included. So here is the email we just created. I can edit it, clone it or export it to any other platforms to create a brand new one. I can click on create email and use this email as a template. This is how easy it is create to email marketing with HubSpot. I hope that you liked the video and you learned a lot from it. So that concludes the video. I hope it was helpful to you and now you can know how to create an email marketing campaign with HubSpot. So thank you, and if you have any question, feel free to leave them below in a comment section and I will try to answer all of them as soon as possible. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.